This repair video for the P0102 error code is specifically tailored for Ford drivers. If your Ford is showing up P0102 code, this is for you. This means that the engine's computer, PCM, detected a low-voltage signal from the MAF sensor, which measures the amount of air entering the engine. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty MAF sensor, dirty or clogged air filter, vacuum leaks, damaged wiring or connectors. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. MAF sensor. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be clean. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. The air filter. Find the air filter housing. It's usually a black plastic box. Open the cover to see the air filter inside. Take out the old filter and remember how it was placed. Clean out any dirt or debris inside. Then put in the new filter the same way the old one came out. Make sure the edges are sealed properly, then close the cover and put back the clips or screws. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996. It is commonly found in vehicles like Scion, Nissan, Ford, Lexus, BMW, Mercedes, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.